Okay, so when the winter comes, the the banana plant, the banana tree, it's a plant actually. The banana plant will die because they are tropical. So to winterize them, you have to cut it. You have to cut it from the very bottom, like from the very base, and then cover it with the with all these leaves you get on the top, so the root system will stay alive. It will not die. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have quite a few of them, so I'm going to cut them down so that they survive the winter. Otherwise, they will spend all the energy trying to sustain these leaves and the tree, and then what will happen? They'll be weak when the spring comes. So instead of just wasting all the energy on sustaining this plant, you just cut it down, cover it up, and next when the winter is over, it'll just come back up from the ground. As simple as that. So I'm going to cut it from the very bottom, just like this. You see, just like that. So like that. It's very easy to cut them. And now after you cut them a little bit more, you cover it up with those leaves. When you cover it up, they will survive the winter very well. The root ball system is very deep. It's deep enough where when you cover it up, the winter will not bother them. They'll be just fine. So that's how you do it. That's how you winterize your banana plant. It is November here, so it's getting really cold, and that's what you do. And yep, it's sad that you have to cut it down and cover it up, but that's how they survive. That's how they hibernate. Otherwise, they'll be spending all this energy. You see, it's all dying. They're starting to die. You can see the leaves and all that are getting weak, and it's getting the winter cold burn on the leaves. So that's how you know it, that it's time, because it's so cold that the leaves are started to die off. Okay, because they don't shed. They're tropical, so they don't shed leaf. They're not used to those shedding, so you have to do it for them. And actually in this case, you just cut the whole plant down. That's how you do it. All right.